Hello. So today we are going to be applying to all the scholarships I can in Malaysia because my parents are basically like, you just apply to all the scholarships you can. Don't think about anything else. Just spend the next 10 days after your SPM results just filling out information and applying. Okay, so yeah. I have about like let's see, 90 to 80 scholarships to sift through and fill out all this information. I've done like oh, that camera fell. Let's hope it stays still now. Okay, so I've done like 4 scholarships already. It was like, I think it was Petronas, UEM, and I'm not sure about the other 2, but there's a lot of other scholarships. Oh yeah, today it's 14th of June today, so I have to apply to Shell, and God, it's just so tiring applying. Some of them require essays and stuff, and it's so tiring to just do the essays and do everything. Filling out stuff is one thing, but when they ask you to do like 300 words of why you want this scholarship and 300 words of something that's changed your life, okay, I didn't know I'd be expending that much effort into this. So yeah, let me just show you guys the list of all the scholarships. So if this could just focus, yeah. These are all the scholarships which I'm going to be applying to. My friend sent this pack through WhatsApp. It was like, yeah, he sent this. Thank you, Mikhail. Good shout out for you. And yeah, these are all the scholarships I'm going to be applying to. So since we've done 4 or 2, since we've done like 2, let's move on. Okay, so Shell is open. Let me just record. Okay, so okay, it's recording. So Shell is open now. It's 14th June. So like I tried applying for this all the way back in February or something, I think, even before SPM was a thing, because they announced something like we could apply for scholarships using trials. So I was like, okay, let's try Shell, because like the listing was on all the websites and all, and I tried for like 3 straight days. I called my friends and everything, and to my surprise, or to my stupidity, it wasn't open. But it is open now from 14th June to 30th June. So come on guys, we can do it. Apply to all the scholarships you can. Now we're just gonna apply. I think I'm just gonna record myself applying for these, I guess. Oh wow, such a diverse panel. Very diverse. Hi. Okay, wait. Shell Program 2021, Kuala Lumpur, Menara Shell, Wilayah Persekutuan Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Wokatai interns. Excuse me? Hold on. Okay, wait, let's look at the eligibility. Strong leadership skills and active participation in extracurriculars. Huh, okay. Not presently holding other scholarships loans. Consistently strong academic achievements. It is. Okay, at least I have that. Alright. Ensure you are eligible to work in the country where the scholarship program... Well, I am eligible. Must be 2020 SPM or 2021 O-level. Leavers. Willing to pursue A-levels at a selected boarding institution. Alright, please note, we occasionally amend or withdraw Shell jobs and reserve the right to do so at any time. Alright then. Okay, I guess I'm applying as an intern then. Let's do this. Autofill with resume? Okay, this is so weird. Shell, but so far, Shell is the only website that's like okay so far. Like it doesn't lag out. Like for example, Petronas one, the website was hell. GPA, the website was hell. Yayasan TN, oh my god, I hate your website, thank you. Okay, wait, no, kidding. Okay, now we gotta fill out all this information. How did you hear about us? Social media. Okay, so Shell is asking me for my work experience. It's like, Excuse me? I'm a 17-year-old kid who just finished his SBM. What kind of work experience do you think I have? Well, I have worked one time. I'm currently actually working as a tutor. Well, not working lah, but like volunteering as a tutor at this education called Project Didik. And I used to be a tutor for Kumon, like a teacher at Kumon, where I would like arrange all the papers and like teach the students online. That was like a part-time thing I did last year. So I guess I can add that. Shell is being super weird right now, asking all these like career questions. Like if you take a look at some of these, for example, like look at these. Are you interested in pursuing... Okay, wait, no, that one isn't really weird. Are you currently employed or have you been employed by Shell's auditor? No? Do you have any financial arrangement with Shell's auditor? Of course not really. Which of the following most closely describes any experience you have working for Shell? None. I have not worked for like any conglomerate, any freaking petroleum conglomerate. I have not worked for any of those. So I made a list of all the scholarships thing. So here's my list. I don't know if you can see this. It's like super bright. It's like super bright. But okay, so this first half is basically for my engineering, for like all the engineering ones, and this bottom one here is for all the accounting, finance, and all of that good stuff. Because even though I took accounts as something for giggles and laughs, I got A+ somehow, and I got a B+ for chemistry. Even though chemistry was like, even though I need chemistry for engineering for some reason, I don't know. Literally, engineering is literally 90% maths and physics. But I don't know why all these scholarships need chemistry they need an A in chemistry. Okay, and if you want another science subject, fine. I got bio A. Is that not enough? Why do you need my chemistry to be A? I'm applying for mechanical here. I'm not applying for chemical. Okay. So our second scholarship of the day is Gamuda. Woo! Okay. I'm not really sure why Gamuda needs engineers. Like, aren't they more of like a they do neighborhoods, right? They're like town planners. Like, do they need people to build houses? Oh wait, no. Yeah, actually, they probably do need people to build houses and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna be applying for Gamuda. That's my second scholarship of the day, and I'm gonna update on how wonky this website is gonna be. Because honestly, so far, Petronas, even though that's like is it a private company? It's like somewhat government affiliated, right? Like all the ones that have been government affiliated have been very, very, very bad user experiences. So let's hope Gamuda doesn't betray my trust. Site can't be reached. Scholarship.gamuda.com.my took way too long to respond. Oh no. Oh well. Looks like we're not applying to Gamuda today. So let's move on to let's see. Yayasan Sime Darby, another township, is that what it's called? Another township planning thing. Never mind, I completely forgot. I already applied for Sime Darby like in March or February, or actually I might have applied in January actually. Oh wait, Jais is giving out scholarships. Oh god, I'm scared of that. Okay, let's do Yayasan KLK now. God, we have to email them. No, they don't have a designated website for scholarship applications. Oh God. You know what? Let's skip KLK for now. Let's just do the ones that are like... Oh, I know. Let's do Kazana Global. Kazana Global seems nice. So I went onto the Kazana Global website. And this website is giving me trouble. Yayasan Kazana, why? You give scholarships to like so many people and you can't even like get them to make a good website. Like literally, look at this. Why? How do you expect me to fill this up? Okay, wait, I just exposed all my information right there. I'll come back when I'm finished applying for Yayasan Kazan, which is probably gonna take me in like 5,000 years because their website is like this. So let's try. You have to write an essay? Are you kidding me? In not more than 1,000 words, please write an essay that includes a description of the intended area of study and how this will benefit the country. Jeebus. Okay, so I just finished all the other particulars of my YK scholarship. So right now, I just have to do the essay. And that essay is like they say you have until 1,000 words. Well, time to fill out those 1,000 words. By the way, this is my Petronas application. I printed it out just for funsies, and basically, okay, here's a life hack for you guys. When you're filling out scholarship information, print out at least one of these applications that has all of your information. For example, your dad's IC, your mom's IC, your mom's full name, whatever, so that when other scholarships ask you for like information regarding that stuff, you can just refer to here, and then you don't have to keep asking them back and forth. See, life hack. I'm like so lazy to write this 1,000 word essay right now. See, we are going to put Yayasan and Kazana on hold, okay? We're going to put Yayasan and Kazana on hold and start with, hold on, I have to mark this down. On hold in pencil. Here it is. On hold. KLK and Great Eastern Scholarship Award are both like email heavy, so I have to like, oh god, it's so, yeah, those two are also on hold. So what I have now is Biasiswa Panasonic, and then that's basically it for all the engineering scholarships. Okay, so Panasonic is yet another one of these scholarships where you have to fill out a form and then email them, because they don't have, for whatever reason, they don't have a scholarship at website. I guess not. So I have to gather all of these. So I printed out Yayasan KLK. This one is Panasonic, and this one is Great Eastern Supremacy Scholarship Awards application. Yeah, I printed out these three. So the reason I printed these out is because they needed to have pictures attached. So I have like my pictures like right over there. So I'm gonna have to fill these out manually, and I'm gonna have to put my faces on it manually as well. And I'm gonna have to email these three to what's it called again? Yeah, I have to email these to all the specific companies, put your email addresses. So yeah, that's the process. It's very annoying, but what you gonna do? Okay, so it's a day forward. It's night time right now, as you can see. Hold on, let me just show y'all the surroundings. It's nighttime, and I printed out all of these. Yeah, I think I've shown you guys already. I printed out all of these, and I haven't finished them yet because I've been pretty busy with stuff. But I filled this one out so far. I just have to attach my picture first, and I'll update you tomorrow because I'm way too tired to to finish these applications. I haven't even finished my 1,000 word essay yet, so we'll get to it tomorrow. Okay, so it's been like 2 weeks or 1 week, and I have procrastinated doing this for so long, but I am now at my final scholarship application. It's 29th June, and tomorrow is the day like basically all the applications close. And right now I only have Yayasan Kazana to finish, which is like the one where you have to write a 1,000 word essay. So like the amount of like lying, well, I didn't really lie lah, but like the amount of exaggeration I did in this essay is astounding. And let's hope they believe, like, if they believe even like 50% of it, that's a start for me. So I'll see you when it's currently 5:30, and like I'm planning to finish this before 7 lah, or something like that. So I'll see you at 7 then. Okay, so that was quicker than I expected. So I finished the Kazana application, and like, okay, that took the longest one, and that was the last one. So I'm glad. So I guess that's the end of the video. this has been a very tiring like experience, and can't wait to film all these rejections. Yep. Thank you for watching.